Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. So I had another unboxing, but this is something a little bit different than some of the beauty things and boxes that I do. And we're gonna dive right in because I'm super excited to share this with you guys. This is something that was sent to me so that I could review it and give it a try. And it's from Pretty Paper Club. Now, I love stationery, and if you've ever won any of my giveaways, you'll know that I always usually try to include a little note for you inside your giveaway package. So I'm always on the lookout for unique or personalized like note cards or notepads and stuff like that. So when I came across the Pretty Paper Club, y'all, this stuff was so darn cute. So cute. And not to mention the fact that they do have a couple of different levels price-wise as far as their monthly subscriptions. And that I also really appreciated, because not only can you get your hands on personalized stationery, but you can also get a smaller subscription where you're just getting a few items, or obviously you can get a bigger one depending on what your needs are. So I definitely was intrigued. So I am super duper excited to get this and unbox it and see what she looks like. So obviously this is completely new for my channel, and I can't wait to see what you guys think of it. Now, before I open the box, really quickly, I did take down a couple of notes from their website so that I can make sure that I give you accurate information, because again, this is a new subscription for me and my channel. Want to make sure I get the deets right for you. Now, each month they do have new designs and themes that they release, and basically the way the subscription works is they have two different levels. The Paper Lover box is $22 a month, and then they have the Ultimate Paper Lover box, which is $44 a month. Both subscriptions, you do get personalized stationery. But obviously with the Ultimate Paper Lover box, you get more stationery, more accessories and stuff like that. You can cancel at any time. You can skip a month, which, you know, guys, that's actually something with some subscription services that can be a pain. If every now and then you want to take a break, yeah, it can be very frustrating. And the other thing that I find really nice is that you can subscribe and join for yourself personally, or you can give it as a gift. Now, that I thought was awesome too. Now, let's get to the unboxing. This is what they sent me. And of course, it's a cute little box. You open her up and see what it looks like. You ready? Oh, y'all, this is so cute. Oh, and she sent me a note. It says, Jessica, enjoy your stationery goodies. Okay, so this is the $22 a month box. So this is their base box. And we have a discount code. Yay. I will put it up here on the screen. It is jessgus. Very simple. And it will give you guys 20% off your first box if you want to give this a try. Y'all, this is so cute. From Natalie. And look at this little card. And this is really nice cardstock paper. It's not like cheap flimsy paper. Okay, so again, it's like pretty tissue paper. And then it comes with like these little cute. Okay, let's bring that up. No, guys, I love stuff like this. Okay. All right, so you open it up. And this is what the inside looks like. So, okay, the first thing I'm pulling out is this adorable little bag of sparkly confetti. This is awesome to put like in cards and stuff when you're sending them to people. Oh, and the confetti comes in different shapes. Can you see that? There's hearts and stuff in there. That's super cute. Okay. Next is this cute little bag. And inside is, okay, there's this. It looks like a bookmark. Oh, okay. Thank you for your membership. From Nicole and the team. And then there's also a pen. And, okay, the pen is got the Pretty Paper Club on it. But y'all, this is a Sharpie pen. These babies are not cheap, I'll tell ya. And it looks like it's silver. That's really cute. I've got to try the pen. It is silver. Oh, neat. Look at it. That's so cool. It's silver Sharpie pen. Isn't it funny how, like, the littlest thing amuses me? Okay. Next, I've got a notepad with my name on it. Right down here at the bottom. It says Jessica. This is so cute. Oh, wait a minute. I think they're, I don't think it's a notepad. I think they're like cards. They are. They're cardstock cards. Oh, this is cool. And look at y'all. They come with envelopes. That's really unique. That's neat. Okay, this looks like a notepad. I love stationery. I feel like stationery says so much about a person. You know, like, it just, when you use nice stationery, it kind of makes you look like you're very well put together and organized. I fool people. Gosh knows I'm not organized. But look at it. This is a whole pad of really pretty, and there's got to be like 50 or 100 sheets in here. Y'all, this is super cool. I'm excited. I really, really like this. I think it's, you know, for $22, you know, again, it's not like, Sharpie pens are not cheap, especially the colored ones. So it's not like you're getting cheap products in here. Everything is very high quality, so you're definitely getting what you pay for. I'm really impressed. Ooh. Well, thank you, my paper club, for sending this my way. I am really happy with it, and I cannot wait to use all of the goodies you sent me. I will definitely be using them to send out my next group of goodie bags that I've got going out for giveaways and stuff. So if you've got something coming from me, know you're going to get a note probably on one of my new stationery products. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Leave it down in the comments. I'm glad I was able to bring something like this, a little bit different, to you guys here on my channel. So that is it. Thank you guys, as always, for coming to hang out for a little while during one of my videos. If you have not done so already, I would love it if you would smash that subscribe button before you head out. It does help me out so much. And again, I'd really appreciate it. That is it. Thank you again. I love you guys bunches. And I will see you in the next